I'm sure you've heard the news. NTPC Green Energy IPO is listed as its allotment was done and it's buzzing. The NTPC Green Energy IPO is finally listed. If you applied, check your status online via BSE or KFin Technologies. Here's the scoop. The shares listed yesterday at 3% premium and closed at 121.65, up by 8% apprax thanks to a positive trend reversal in the Indian stock market. Key details of IPO. Price band. Rs 102. 108 per share, lot size, 138 shares. They raised a whopping Rs 10,000 crore. The shares is listed on both BSE and NSE. Overall subscription hit 2.42 times with retail investors leading at 3.44 times. The big listing date is November 27th. NTPC Green Energy, with an impressive operational capacity, is set to make waves. Money haven. Give it a thumbs up, calling it a compelling long-term investment. Stay tuned and get ready to power up your investments. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all documents carefully. This video is for educational purpose only. Please verify any information before relying on it. We are not responsible for any gain or loss as a result of our content.